हेलो स्टूडेंट, गुड मॉर्निंग. नाउ विल स्टार्ट पीरियड्स. सो हॉरिजॉन्टल रोज जितनी भी होती हैं आर नोन एज पीरियड्स. हॉरिजॉन्टल रोज of the periodic table are called periods. Of the periodic table are called periods. This is periods. Now each period consists of elements having same valence shell. There are 7 periods in the periodic table, जिसे आप लोग बोलते हो फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh periods. So a close connection is there between the electronic configuration of the element and the long form of the periodic table. There is a close connection between the electronic configuration of the element, a close connection is there between the electronic configuration of the elements and the long form of the periodic table. So each period begins with the filling of electrons in a new energy cell. Like हम लोग बात करें कि फर्स्ट पीरियड की बात करें, फर्स्ट पीरियड. So first periods corresponding to n equal to 1. So involves the filling of electrons in the first energy cell. This energy cell has only one orbital. This energy cell has only one orbital, जिसे आप लोग बोलते हो s orbitals. Means first 1s orbital. And 1s orbital occupy only 2 electrons. All of you know s orbital. In s orbitals only 2 electrons are occupied. Only 2 electrons are occupied, or 2 electrons are accommodated. So the first period has only 2 elements. So the first period has only 2 elements, हाइड्रोजन एंड हीलियम. सिमिलरली सेकेंड पीरियड की बात करें, सेकेंड पीरियड, so n equal to 2 involve the filling of electrons in the second energy cell. The energy cell has 4 orbitals. सेकेंड पीरियड की बात करें, एनर्जी इक्वल टू 2 involves the filling of electrons in the second energy cells. This energy cells has 4 orbitals. This energy cell has 4 orbitals. Which one? One is 2s and other is other 3p orbital, 2p orbitals, which can be accommodated 8 electrons. Accommodated 8 electrons. Thus this period has 8 elements starting. Thus this period has 8 elements starting with lithium and end up with neon. अप टू एटॉमिक नंबर 3 to 10, एटॉमिक नंबर 3 से स्टार्ट होगा 10 तक। सिमिलरली हम लोग बात करें थर्ड पीरियड की, थर्ड पीरियड n equal to 3, so corresponding the 3 n equal to 3 involves the filling of electrons in the third energy cells. These energy cells has 9 orbitals, यहाँ पर हमारे पास 9 orbitals होंगे, there are 9 orbitals. One is 3s, 3p orbital and 5d orbitals equal to 9 orbitals. One is 3s hold 2 electron, 3p 6 electron and d 10 electrons. So these are total 10 and 18 electrons which can accommodate 18 electrons, but among these orbitals energy of 3d orbitals 5d orbitals मतलब 5 3d orbitals. So energy of 3d orbitals which accommodate 8 electrons, among these orbitals energy of 3d orbital is higher than 4s. 3d energy is higher than 4s orbitals. Therefore only 4 orbitals. Therefore only 4 orbitals. 4 orbitals, 1 3s and 3p are filled before the filling of electrons in fourth energy. Are filled before the filling of electrons in fourth energy shell. Thus there are only 8 elements. Thus there are only 8 elements in the third period. Now fourth period. So start with filling. n equal to 4 means 4s orbital. So यहाँ पर हमारे पास जो होंगे after the 4s orbital 5d orbital also filled. After 4s orbital 5 3d orbitals are filled and then electrons goes to 4p orbital. So thus in all 9 orbital one say 1 4s 5 3d and 4 4p orbitals can accommodate maximum 18 electron. Can accommodate maximum 18 elements. Maximum 18 elements. Similarly for fifth period also starting with n equal to 5. Similarly for fourth period, n equal to 5. So there are 9 orbitals. There are 9 orbitals. Which one is 9 orbitals? तो आपके पास फर्स्ट हो जाएगा, फर्स्ट 5s, ठीक है, देन 5 4d ऑर्बिटल एंड 3 जो है आपके पास वो हो जाएंगे आपके पास 5p ऑर्बिटल्स. So there are thus in all 9 orbitals and can accommodate maximum 18 electrons, 18 elements. Now sixth one, सिक्स के लिए आपके पास हो जाएगा n इक्वल टू 6. सो उसके पास आपके पास जो है फिलिंग ऑफ 6 एनर्जी लेवल 6 पीरियड इज ओनली 16 ऑर्बिटल्स. 16 orbitals. 16 orbitals. So in 16 orbitals, one is 6, 6s, 7 4f, 5 5d and 3 6p. 6p orbitals. So there are 16 orbitals. So 16 orbitals hold it 32 electrons. 32 electrons. That's why in this group 32 elements are present. 32 elements. These 16 orbitals hold 32 electrons. That's why in this group present 32 elements. Similarly, 17 group corresponding of n equal to 7. So like 6th period, it is also expected to contain 32 electrons. Thank you.